So how you can make your first $100 or $300 per day with affiliate marketing. Now this is going to be a little bit of tutorial video where I'm going to show you exactly the framework that you can apply if you want to start making your first buck online with affiliate marketing as a total beginner, so as a total newbie without any previous experiences. Now why would I suggest you that? Is because affiliate marketing in 2022, it's another huge potential for you when you can promote and basically connect people with different products as a solution to their problems. So it's really profitable way to make money online. So you can see some of the earnings over here, and now I'm going to show you on Clickbank how to pick the right offer. So let's dive deep into this. You see over here on clickbank.com you have different categories. So you have different niches, different sub niches where you can go into it and basically just dominate any of those niches. So you can see on the left side over here you have education, games, green products, health and fitness, languages, right? So there are many different niches. So I would suggest you to go to 3 big niches, which are make money online, health and wellness or losing weight, and relationship or love. So those are, let's say, the main big niches where it's a huge competition, but also a lot of money to be made if you take the right advantage and if you put the right, let's say, glasses on to seize the opportunity, to see the opportunity and then take the advantage of that opportunity. So here you can choose many offers. So let's say that we're in the health and fitness niche. So we click on health and fitness, and then what you can do over here, you see, is you can choose different offers. Now lots of people go by gravity. This tells you how many people are making money with this offer. So you see, this is one of the offers. For example, in the weight loss niche, it's a weight loss supplement, and you can see that over 1,060 people are making money every single week with this Clickbank supplement offer. So over 1,000 people are making money. So it could be a potentially really profitable offer. But as you know, in 2022, it's really hard if you don't know the right way how to promote it on Google, YouTube, or with Facebook ads, right? So those are the traffic sources that I would suggest you to choose: Facebook, Google, or solo ads. So basically, solo ads is email marketing list where you can take and clone the data and get clicks sent to your affiliate link. Now if you want help with that, you can reach me out after watching this video. So let's go further. You see, you can choose many offers over here. You have different products that you can promote, and if you want to promote them, you just click on the button promote. Now another thing you have to keep in mind is how to promote those offers. It's easy to pick the offer. Now what to do after you pick the offer, because lots of people get confused, right? Should I choose Facebook ads? Should I build landing page? Should I not build website, right? What kind of website should I build? What kind of targeting details can I get, right? What kind of ad copy should I use? So there are different variations that you have, different questions that are going into your mind, right? So if you stay until the end of this video, you are also going to receive exact step-by-step method on how to do it the right way, ad copy, and how to invoke the desire in your ad copies. So over here on my PowerPoint, I want to show you how to do it the correct way. So let's look at it. So you see over here, desire. Now you cannot create a desire, but you can invoke desire that's already pre-existing in the marketplace, right? There is already desires. So what is the surface desire of your market? Now let's say that I'm in the weight loss space, weight loss niche, right? So what is the surface desire? The surface desire would be, for example, losing weight, right? Losing 5 kilos in 10 days or losing 10 kilos in 40 days, right? So this is on the surface. But what is the below the surface, below the sea level, if you can say like that, is something more psychological, much more emotional, right? There is emotional gap in the market, right? And if you can find that pain point, and if you can find that emotional gap that is missing, you can make some money selling different affiliate products. So for example, answer this for your prospect. Like let's say I create a mind map empathy map of my prospects. So I ask myself, if I could just, for example, if I could just lose weight, then what? What would happen? What is the end result if I lose weight, right? You see, you have to think deeper for your prospect, right? Not just lose weight, but what is the side effect or positive effect of losing weight? For example, in the weight loss space, believe it or not, the number one reason why women over 45 years old are buying weight loss offers are most of them are in the relationship or married. So the reason why is because they don't want to get divorced, or they don't want the guy to cheat on them. So there are many different, you see, psychological, emotional issues going on in their mind, right? So that is the main reason why they buy the product. At the end of the day, it's not because they just want to lose weight, but there are many different other reasons and factors why they want to lose weight. And if you can understand that and grab the moment of that, you can make more money as an affiliate, because you will position yourself as an authority in the marketplace and know exactly what your market is looking for, and you will have the right message to market match. So this is really important, describing your prospect, right? And I can help you with that. So after watching this video, if you want to have done for you campaign and help with that, and exactly know how to put ad copy and targeting in the place from zero to get to the hero, to get into your first sale on Clickbank or Digistore, let me know. You can connect with me after watching this video, right? So what is the ADA? ADA stands for attention, interest, desire, action. So the first section of your ad copy, right? Doesn't matter, it's YouTube, it's Google, it's Facebook. It's about getting attention. So headline, getting the attention, right? This includes graphics and also text. So the next section should focus, second one, on what keep their interest, right? Relevant problems. What is the current problem right now? Momental problem that they have, that they're dealing with, that needs to be solved. Another thing, what's going to make them desire you would offer question, right? And then testimonials, demonstrations, maybe product images, and then what is going to make them take action, right? Urgency, scarcity, call to action buttons that look like a buttons actually, right? So you need to have buttons that actually look like a buttons on your landing pages. Why? Because people sometimes don't know that there is a link on your blog, on your advertorial landing page. So buttons actually need to look like a call to action buttons, right? Buy now or add to cart. Another thing, customer persona research, like we said, right? Short description that describes the demographics of your persona and what is this customer challenge to buy, what is this customer problem, right? You have to understand that. So what is my system? For example, number one, let's say Facebook ad. Important thing, image, ad copy, targeting. Second thing is content rich page, basically lender that is content rich page, so you don't get shut down on Facebook or Google. Need to be compliant. And at the end, high quality offer, which from $50 to $100 or above, with at least 50% upsell take rate. Why? Because you can keep making passive income on autopilot from same customers over and over again, buying those products, right? So that is really, really important. And now at the end of this video, I can ask you to connect with me. So if you're watching this video and if you want to know exactly, look, how to put this system in the place, because I know if you're watching this video, you probably don't have much time on your hands left, right? Especially if you have kids or anything else or family, you don't have time, right, to put websites together, to watch videos, to sit through a 8-week darn course, and at the end get stuck in the middle of your course that you have paid $3,000 for, right? So if you're watching this video and if you want to get exact step-by-step support, help, kind of like done for you campaign and done with you program, but you can basically get done with you affiliate website, done for you ad copy, done for you targeting details, where we connect and we get it up and running in less than a week, then please subscribe to this channel. And below this video, look over here, you can get in touch with me personally. Yes, that's right, personally. You can see over here, this is my Instagram account. You can also reach me on by email or by Facebook, also have WhatsApp. Choice is yours. So basically over here you can see you can reach me out on one of my social media accounts, you can scroll over here. See, this is all my account. So you can reach me over here on my Instagram, or you can also connect with me with email if you prefer that, or Facebook. So that's entirely up to you. So in 2022, if you want to have some results with affiliate marketing or using any affiliate network like Digistore or Clickbank or any other network like Mapwax or any other thing, then let me know below this video. Let's connect and let's make something happen. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.